everyone, it's Tammy, and it's time to do my plan with me in my personal planner. This is the one that I use for my business Stampin' Up! And for YouTube. So I'm going to use these cute Faith and Trust Teenies weekly kit from Adorably Amy. It is Tinkerbelle, and it is so stinking cute. So I'm going to turn to the week that we're planning, which is the 19th through the 25th. And I'm going to move this over. There we go. And I didn't get out any washi, so let me pick some really quick. I'm just going to use some purple glitter because that's calling my name with little Tinkerbelle. I'm just going to take this and run it right down the middle. So for those of you that might not know, I am a planner gal since 2015. I started after a friend had asked me to show her my plum paper planner because I had one of those and I was loving it, and she hadn't seen the plum paper and she wanted to see it, so I didn't know how to show her. She lived in a totally different state far away, and she said, well, could you put it on YouTube? And I thought, oh my goodness, I don't know how to do all that. But I thought, well, you know what, it's a challenge. I work in IT. I kind of like some things, you know, computery and all of that. So I thought, well, let me see if I can figure it out. It can't be that hard if everybody's doing it. So I figured it out and I posted it on YouTube. And I made it just for her. I wasn't going to do any more. I was just showing her my walkthrough. And then after I posted it, I thought, you know what? This is kind of fun. I kind of like this. And I had watched some other planner videos and I thought, I can do this. So that is how I got started. I took the video that I had made for her and I redid it, and I got a whole new channel. So that one was on just my, you know, very personal, my full name channel that, you know, is still available, but I don't have any. I think I might have a couple videos on private on there just from, you know, playing and learning how to do it. And then that's how TT.Scraps came about. So I started putting them under TT.Scraps, and then it just kind of took off from there. I've been planning every week. I don't think I've missed a week. I may have missed one earlier actually this year. I'm not sure, or I think I caught up with it, but I was late totally getting it out there. I think that's what happened. I don't exactly remember because it was crazy in my life right then. I was, you know, preparing for a total change of myself with my surgery and all of that, and it was just a wild ride. So I know it's already February 19th, but in some ways it feels like to me it's already been 6 months into the year because it's so much has happened for me. It's been crazy. So in a good way, not a bad way at all, just lots of things. So now I have two channels. I have this channel, which is obviously TT.Scraps, and then I have my fitness / weight loss channel, which is Transforming Tammy. And I am telling my story of weight loss with RNY, the weight loss surgery. And all of that is available on that channel if you guys are interested, and the link is below so you can easily get there if you are interested. I am trying to grow this channel, well, both channels, so I would appreciate any likes and subscribes. If you guys like what you see or want to subscribe, I would welcome it. I am enjoying doing YouTube very much. Now my Transforming channel is not monetized because of their new rules, so I'm hoping that I can get it monetized, you know, again here soon, but I don't have the numbers yet. I'm working on it. And YouTube is fun work, but it's work. And I want to give you guys what you want to see. And I'm really trying hard this year to do that. I know one thing so many of you guys had said you wanted back was the Foodie Fridays, so I am working hard to get that done. And it is a totally different style this time. It is healthy foods, and at least for the most part I can say right now they're all healthy foods. I don't know what my channel will bring in the future. I mean, I'm not saying that you have to cook healthy every day, all day, and neither do I, but right now that's where I'm at. So that's what I'm trying to bring to you guys. And it's food that I can eat post my weight loss surgery. So this focuses on mostly my YouTube and my, like I said, my Stampin' Up! Business. And I have a ton of YouTube ideas and videos that I'm trying to work with and post and all of that good stuff. But if you guys have any suggestions or anything that you'd like to see, please let me know. I am working on new projects all the time, and this is just lots of fun. Oops, the wrong one. I like to go with one that has a little design, and then I call that no design, even though there's a design, a background design. There's no, like, this one has Tinkerbelle, this one has flowers. So I do design, no design, design, and then I'll do a no design, usually in a different color. So I'll do no design, design, no design. I'll put this one here. And I'm going to put my weekly goals up here in the notes section. And I'm going to take these two little guys and put them here. And I don't have anybody's birthday to celebrate this week. I do need to get some Happy Meal out. On Saturday, and paydays are Fridays usually, so I'm going to put that down. Those are really the only functional stickers I use. Oh, I say that as I'm grabbing my planning day sticker, so I'm going to put that there. And now I'm just going to decorate a little bit. Super cute stickers. They have these hydrate stickers. I'm kind of tempted to use them. Although I really don't keep track of it in this one. I'm kind of, maybe I should use them in my fitness planner, because I know I won't fill them out on here. I could use the Hydrate and the Habit Tracker in my fitness planner. That would work. Huh, maybe I'll try that. Okay. So this is all I'm going to decorate, but let me go ahead and write some things in. And maybe I'll use a purple pen. If I have one handy, which I should. Red. Oh goodness, I know I have a purple one. Here's a purple one. And I'm going to write comments on every day. Well, you know what, first I need to write my goals. So I'm going to say my goals are comments. And thank yous. And Stampin' Up. And a project. So I'm going to write comments then on every day. And I'm really trying hard to keep up with them, and I've done a fairly good job. I may not get every day, but I'm getting them caught up when I start them. So that means I'm not leaving them for days. And I need to work on some Stampin' Up card series. I'd like to do a one sheet wonder for next month. I should write that down here too. And I need to do a live video still. And then I think I'll do my live video on Thursday at probably 6:30 Eastern Time. I'm just going to look and see if last week if I missed anything that I need to carry over. Oh, I was thinking about doing my live at noon. That could be a possibility too. I could do... I was actually thinking of doing it today, which is Saturday. I didn't announce it. Maybe I could still do a live video today. I don't know. I'll think about it. But I think that's everything I have for next week so far. So let's go ahead and put this in. That's my problem. Sometimes I'll look at this when I'm doing it, but then I don't look at it again. And it's a bummer because I miss things like my live video. I didn't remember that, and maybe I'll still do it. And I did order some new clips, so hopefully those will be here soon and I can switch out my wintry ones for more springy ones. So there we go. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.